we have to hear while playing, by the way.
Yes, bro.
Oh my god.
Good luck, bro.
That was so
Center.
bad.
I'm going center.
I cannot play on keyboard, bro. This is so bad.
Bro didn't move.
Wait, JP, are you on keyboard?
Hell no! Yes, my controller doesn't work.
Oh,
I'm
no,
also
not the
keyboard.
curse of the
there.
I've been playing keyboard all day.
I'm over here
Alright,
playing
I'm
on my
just
Mac,
fine.
bro, because I don't have my main computer.
Oh, no, we are MacBook in the
Aren't you
big
in, like, a
2.6?
hotel?
Hell nah, gang.
Good job.
That's what I bring to come.
Congrats.
We went auto turret, and you airballed all those balls. Oh my.
This computer doesn't have the glitch. Somehow. I don't know why this computer
They're
doesn't
talking
have
about
glitch.
Turret's grandfather, and they're calling him Grandpappy Carlos.
Whoa.
And then
You're counter pushing me. You're counter pushing me. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's-
Tipping.
no, you weren't up enough. It doesn't count.
No, it's just Miguel. It's just Miguel.
Well, Miguel can't hear you, so it doesn't count.
Okay, that just might be tipping.
No.
Nah.
It wasn't enough.
Bro, you're like a cat, bro. Bro's like a cat. Meow, meow, meow. Like, bro.
What is happening?
I might be cooked.
Help. Oh,
Please,
Yo, the entire Blue Alliance
I
is
might be
no,
cooked.
what is happening?
I don't know. I'm pissed. I'm pissed.
Jeff.
You guys better go save, oops. Nah. I made one. Yes. Let's go. Oh,
I
Yo,
don't know how you got a blocking shell, but alright.
Oh my god, I'm being like,
bro, this game is
holy hell.
why is
Bro.
that?
Oh wait, that's Evax account, isn't it?
Go, back go. There you go.
Oh, in game.
30 turret, 30.
I know.
Ah, I made some shots in JP. Ha! I made.
You shot JP. What did JP did to you that you needed to shoot?
Yeah, this has got to be tipping.
15.
What is happening to me? Oh, no.
10, 9, 8,
Oh.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Seven.
1.
turret.
What are you doing? Oh my
Never
god.
did it forward.
It's
So
so
I
hard
just
to play when you're